Hi, this is Kevin with Garrison Dental Solutions, and I have a quick tip for you today about using the Blueview Cervical Matrix kit for Class 5s. And this all has to do with minimizing subgingival flash so that cleanup is a little easier. So I've got just a little Class 5 here right down at the gingiva. And of course, you know, a lot of times when restoring these, you might be using a glass ionomer. It's very sticky material, and that's one of the nice things about the cervical matrix is that you avoid the sculpting of that, you know, because as you're trying to sculpt that material into the restoration, it wants to pull away from the margins, and it's just kind of a hassle. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and inject a little bit of restorative material here, like that. So I've got the material in place, and I've got a little cervical matrix attached here to the end of my handle. What you want to do is slide the gingival margin of that band, that matrix, just below the gingiva like that, and then roll it up on the tooth, pressing firmly, and you can see, hopefully there, that I've expressed some of that excess material around the restoration, but I've expressed it away from the gingiva. I've got a little bit that squeezed interproximally there, and then I've got some that squeezed out the top edge of the band. And now I don't have another hand here so that I can cure this, but that's the objective, is you want to get that material to express anywhere other than subgingivally so that it's easier to clean up. Now, of course, you would apply the curing light directly on top of that matrix. The curing light will penetrate that, cure that. You will not have an air-inhibited layer, so finishing and polishing will be easier. So again, it's just that what I wanted to show you was this roll up on the tooth motion with the gingival edge of the band pressed firmly against the tooth to seal that. Roll it up on the tooth. Excess material will be expressed in a manner that's easy to clean up, and then you can cure it. There you go.